Today I am reviewing the ASUS ROG Strix G18 gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The beating heart of this gaming titan is the formidable Intel Ultra 9275HX processor. This chip is an absolute multitasking beast, packing an incredible 24 cores and 24 threads that can draw up to 80 watts of power when the system demands peak performance. In real-world usage, this means that heavy CPU bottlenecks are entirely a thing of the past. Whether you are running physics-heavy modern gaming engines, rendering massive three-dimensional scenes, or streaming high-bitrate video while simultaneously hosting a Discord call and running background applications, this processor handles it all with perfect fluid responsiveness. The raw computing overhead here ensures that the laptop never stutters, providing a perfectly stable foundation for both hardcore competitive gaming and heavy content creation. Graphics processing is handled by the highly efficient NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 laptop GPU. Paired with a massive computing power of the Intel Ultra 9, this graphics card delivers incredible frame rates, allowing you to crank up the visual settings in the latest gaming releases without sacrificing smoothness. Visuals look incredibly crisp and fluid, and the laptop handles advanced lighting effects, ray tracing, and high refresh rate gaming with remarkable ease. To ensure that this potent hardware combination can run at maximum capacity for extended periods, the internal cooling system works beautifully to keep temperatures well within optimal ranges, preventing the annoying thermal throttling that plagues so many other large laptops. Memory and storage capabilities are equally impressive, providing immense speed right out of the box while keeping an eye firmly focused on future upgrades. The system comes configured with 32 GB of high-frequency DDR5 RAM running at 5600 MHz, which guarantees stutter-free transitions and seamless performance across multiple resource-heavy applications. If your needs grow down the line, the system is fully upgradable all the way up to 64 GB. For storage, you get an ultra-fast 1TB PCIe Gen 4 solid-state drive that makes game loading screens nearly instantaneous and ensures lightning-fast data transfers. ASUS has also gone above and beyond by making both internal storage slots completely PCIe Gen 5 ready, meaning you can drop in next-generation ultra-fast storage whenever you want. Even better, upgrading your storage is an absolute breeze thanks to the toolless Q-latch system, which completely eliminates the frustration of dealing with tiny screws or fragile motherboard standoffs. The audio presentation is another standout aspect that elevates the overall immersive experience. Dual stereo speakers powered by Dolby Atmos build an authentic, wide soundstage that lets you accurately pinpoint enemy footsteps or directional cues in competitive multiplayer games. The system is also certified for high-res audio, ensuring you hear music tracks and atmospheric game scores with studio-quality fidelity. Communication remains completely crystal clear thanks to an intelligent Two-Way AI Noise Cancellation system. This feature processes both incoming and outgoing audio, effortlessly filtering out distracting background noises like clicky mechanical keyboards or ambient room fans, so your team chats and broadcasts sound professional at all times. Finally, the connectivity suite on this laptop sets a brand new industry benchmark. ASUS has equipped the ROG Strix G18 with dual Thunderbolt 5 ports, delivering a staggering leap forward in high-bandwidth connectivity that offers up to 3 times the speed of older Thunderbolt 4 standards. This massive bandwidth makes it incredibly easy to transform your laptop into a massive desktop-level command center, supporting high-resolution external displays, lightning-fast external storage arrays, and advanced docking stations. Combined with USB-C power delivery support and a robust, aggressive design that looks fantastic on a desk, this exceptional machine stands tall as a premier, uncompromising choice for any gamer or creator serious about their hardware performance.